Good evening and welcome to the oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to continue our series on the practice set. Right? So we are practicing mixed questions from previous year questions from both SSC and Railways examinations, and these sessions so far are proving to be fruitful. You are seeing a good mix of questions from easy to moderate to difficult level. I would not say difficult, everything is in the range of easy to moderate at par your examination level, because practicing that ways is going to help you to ace the examination. We are expecting the dates of the RRB NTPC to be announced anytime soon, right? So this is the crucial time for you. This is the time when most of you might have almost completed their preparation and they're right now in the practice in the revision phase. And this is the time when it is highly probable for you to lose focus and direction, because till the time there is no certainty of when the examinations will be conducted, you will be in a zone like, okay, should I do this, should I not do this, should I be okay now, should I just calm down, should I be normal? See, the fact is, whatever is burning right now remains hot for a long time, but if the fire has stopped, the heat is going to dissipate. It's as simple as that. So for you, if you keep in touch, if you keep practicing, if you keep repeating, then that heat is going to be there. So that speed, that accuracy, that that everything is going to be with you. There is going to be one phase of your brain, one particular point where instantly you will start getting answers. But if you stop practicing, you will start losing that gradually, and by the time the actual exam arises, you will be lagging behind. So do not lose focus, keep practicing, keep revising, and be there. On that note, if you are new to the oliveboard platform, please hit the subscribe button right away so that you can be a part of this wonderful journey, this wonderful series, and extremely motivational and directional content which is being constantly churned out for you. Also subscribe, to also hit the like button to appreciate and to show us that how much you appreciate this, so that we also know that we are working on the right direction, in the right path. Also share this video across platforms with all your fellow aspirants so that they can also benefit from this as much as possible. On that wonderful note, I'll start the session right away, and this is the very first question for you. Oops. The first question is an answer. Give me just one moment of yours. I'll just rectify this. That's it. So the first question, you're already aware about the answer, but still we'll just give it a shot. You guys can participate and give me the answers here. Okay. Now, what exactly is happening here? So, let's check. We have 16 and 2, okay, 11 and 23, and 1 and 13, and we have 24 and 6. So, definitely something is being added here. So, this is plus 12, 1 and 13 plus 12, 11, 23 plus 12. Okay, 16, this is 28. 16 and 28 is also plus 12. Okay, and 24 and 12. If we add 24 and 12, we get 36. and 36 minus 26 is 10. This should have been J ideally. So this becomes our odd one. Okay. So if you know how to quickly convert letters into numbers, everything becomes instantaneously very easy. Next. Sorry. Yes, anyone? Share this session, guys, and do hit the like button. Very easy question. Now, what are we doing here? Daisy is written as FCIQW. So, what is happening? This is 4, this is 6. So, increasing by plus 2. This is 1, this is 3. Increasing by plus 2. I remains as it is. 19, 17 minus 2 and 25, 23 minus 2. So, the logic here is plus 2, same, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. And they are all 5-letter words. Okay. They are asking you for Lotus. The code for Lotus will be plus 2 plus 2. So, this is 12 plus 2 is 14 and 15 plus 2 is 17. So, NQ. Everything is starting almost with NQ. The third one T is going to remain as it is. So, this is gone. And the next one is S only. The last one has to be minus 2. So, this is 19 minus 2 is 17. So, it has to be Q in the end. So, option C is the correct answer. Alright. Good, Amit. Very good. Excellent. Absolutely right. Good job. Hi, Dinesh. Good evening. Thank you so much, Bacha. That's very sweet of you. Thank you. Okay. Next. A very common logic in logical reasoning. Extremely common pattern in logic. Let's see who gives me the answer. The idea is you need to solve it in the right time. Yes, Amit. Good. Correct. Correct. Absolutely right. Good job. What about the rest of you? So, if you observe, almost instantly we can find out that this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. From here again, plus 1, so this is B, plus 2, this is T. And we have only one option which is following. So, option A is the right answer. Okay. Next. This is an interesting one, not a difficult one. Okay, very good. Abhinya, absolutely right. Amit, I think you are absolutely correct. Very good. Oh, Abhinay, I am so sorry. Yes. What is happening here? So, from 18, how do we obtain 234? Might seem to be confusing, but if you observe 14 and 126, it might click, something might come to you, that this is somewhere close to their squares. What are their squares? So if I write 18 square, that is 324, and if I subtract 90 from it, I get 234, right? Okay. If I write 14 square, I get 196, and if I subtract 70 from it, I get 126. What is 90 to 18 and 70 to 14? They are both just simply multiplied by 5. So this is, the logic is 14 square minus 14 into 5. This is the logic. So the logic is x is related to x square minus 5x, or x into x minus 5. Anything, however you can obtain it. So a number multiplied by a number which is 5 less than that should give you 176, or 176 will be close to the square of which? So 20 into 15, this is definitely not our answer. Okay, 20 into 15 not our answer. 15 into 10 again not our answer. 15 square 225 minus 100. Sorry, 225 minus, yeah, again this is not your answer. So 256, or 16 into 11. 16 into 11, this is our answer. So this will give you 16 into 11 is 176. That is 16 square minus 16 into 5. That is 256 minus 80 will give you 176. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Next. Figure series. I think this is an easy one. Yes, this one seems easy, guys. You can just pick up from the elements and give me the answer. It's not very difficult. Anyone? Okay, you correct. Let's see. So one thing is for sure is that we have h here, we have g here, we have I here, we have j here. A lot of students think that this h is going here and being increased by +1. But then this would not make sense. So what is happening is this g is basically going on the top and increasing by +2, and this h is coming in the bottom increasing by +2 again. Okay, they are moving, they are basically moving in the clockwise direction. Right, from here the I will go here with +2 and the j will come here with +2 again. So this is 10 plus 2 will become 12 here, and 9 plus 2 is 11 here. So this has to be the answer, because then k would move here. So 11 plus 2 is 13, which is coming here, and L would move on the top. So 12 plus 2 is 14, which would come here. Sorry, which would come here. So this is visible. So K and L, this is our answer. So this is not possible, this is not possible, these two are possible. Now the center figure, if I take this here, this is moving 90 degree clockwise. 90 degree clockwise. So 90 degree clockwise. So this here, the circle will be on the top, and we have this here at the bottom, which is an option B. So option B is the correct answer. Easy. Next. Dictionary based. Okay, that's good. That's the speed I'm looking for. What about the rest of you? Take your time. If you need some more time, take some more time, but give me the answer at least. Otherwise, what will happen is, gradually only one student is the one who will benefit from these sessions. I want this to be useful for everybody. No? Okay. See, I've taught this to you in many classes already. Whenever you are approaching a dictionary based question, always look at the options. Okay. If I look at the options, I have 6-3, 6-3, 6-3 at the initial stage. The first two letters, first two positions. So I will not have to check. This is undebatable. At the next position, we have 2, 7, 2, 7. So either 2 or 7. Check which one of these is the correct answer. Humbug, humectants. So HUMB, 2, HUME. So 2 is going to come first. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. After this, we have 6, 3, 2, 7. So 1 and 4 will give us our correct answer. Which is going to come first? That option is going to come first. So 1 and 4, we have humility and we have humidity. HUMI, this is L, this is 12, this is D, this is 4. Obviously, 4 is going to come first. So option B becomes my correct answer. That is how you can do it with speed in the examination. Good job. Mausami, absolutely right. Very good, beta. Shabash. Next. Good. Very good. Excellent, Amit. Very good. Very good, Mausami. Absolutely right. What is the logic here? Simple logic. This is being multiplied by 3, by 2, by 3, by 2, by 3. So the next one is going to be by 2, that is 216, which is option B. Next. Ishwara Lakshmi, correct. Simple learn, absolutely right. Very good. Try this one now, guys. Okay. So the first letter is C everywhere, so there is no question about that. Let's check the second letter. It is A, E, I, but M. Okay, so this is plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17, so C, Q. So this is gone, this is gone. The third letter will give us our answer. So 2, 10, plus 6, 10, 18, plus 8, 18, 26. Oh, sorry, this is 2, 10. Plus 8 only. Plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. So 26 plus 8 is 8. That is H. Option C is the right answer. Next. Also, sometimes if you observe the options, you will get an answer like C. C is the same here. We have 2 M's and 2 Q's here. So we might still be confused. In the end, we have 2 M's here. We might still be confused, but we have one option which is separate in all 4 of them. So straight away check for the third option only. Straight away check for the third letter only. But that seldom happens. So if that happens, you can do that. Okay, next. Yes, try this now. Okay. So how do we check this? Now see, since nothing is there, we'll just check the three of them together. We'll just check the three figures together. We have one figure which is common, which is 2. So we'll take 2 here and we'll see with 2 what all faces are adjacent. With 2 I can see 5, I can see 6, I can see 1, I can see 4. So these 4 can never be with 2. There is only one option with 2, that is 3. So who will be opposite 3? It will be 2. Okay. Next. Okay, let's look at this one. So the first letter is 2, 6. We are increasing by plus 4. Here we have 14, 18, again increasing by plus 4. So this will also increase by plus 4. So 6 and 4 will be 10. So this is gone, this is gone. Now here we have JRU, JRU. Only difference is in the third letter. So straight away check for the third letter. So 10 and 2, 12 plus, okay, this is 16 and 18 plus 2. So we'll have to have plus 2 here. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So N will be the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. Next. Okay, I would like to take a poll here since all of you are part of this session. I'm asking this from all of you. So I want an open answer from all of you. We'll discuss this question first. So some second are time. Some second are time. All time are minute. All time are minute. No minute is time. Not at all. Not possible. No time is second. Not possible again. No second is minute. Again, not possible. So all three of them are wrong. So neither conclusion follows. Easy. Easy syllogism based questions. Correct. Very good, yeah. Amit, Mausami and Ishwarya Lakshmi. Very good. Good job. Now, what I was trying to ask you here was, I was wanting to have a poll of a sort that, see, regularly we are practicing and I'm bringing practice sets for you and we are bringing questions for you. But I would want to know from your end. See, I'm already asking, put in the comment box, any feedbacks, anything new you want. Now you tell me live in this session, would you want me to plan some another new type of session for you? And what would that be? On what grounds, on what lines? If you can put that in the chat box right now, it will give me a fair idea and fair understanding of what I need to do differently for you so that you can be more, benefited from it. Let me know. I'm waiting for your comments. Okay. So we'll start with the next question, but I'll be waiting for your comments. I would want your comments here so that I can understand and plan my future sessions accordingly. Next. What? Are? Okay, add more analytical type questions. Okay, like, give me some names of the topics. Okay. When we change 3 and 4, which of these equations will not be correct? Statement, argument, statement, conclusion. Oh, okay, got it, got it. So you're talking about critical reasoning. Got it. We can do that. So why don't I plan a session for critical reasoning? What do you say? All of you. Should we bring a special session for critical reasoning? Would you want to do that? Because from the RRB perspective also it is important. From SSC Tier 1 perspective it is not that important, but from Tier 2 perspective it is pretty important. So rather than having this mixed practice session, we'll continue this obviously, but one session in between I can plan for critical reasoning. Practice only. What do you say? Tell me yes or no. Everybody, all 8 of you, I want your answers right now. Because then I'll plan my sessions accordingly. I want everything to be customized for you as much as possible. Okay, if we exchange 3 and 4, let's verbally check it. So this is 4 into 7, 28 minus 8. 8 divided by 2 will be 4 and plus 3. Yes, it's 27. Which of these will not be correct? Okay, this is correct. This is 3. 3 into 6, 18 minus 4 plus 9. So this is 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is not 25. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Let me plan one session for critical reasoning then. Right? I'll give you brief concept in that and then we'll practice some mixed questions. All right. Okay. Okay. Some violins are pianos. All violins are flutes. No violin is a guitar. Okay. Some violins are pianos. All violins are flutes. No violin is a guitar. No guitar is a piano. No. Can we say that? No. Some flutes are pianos. Yes, absolutely right. All flutes are guitars. All flutes are guitars. Not at all. Okay. Now, I want to ask you a question. We know that only 2 is the correct conclusion here. So, option C is the right answer. But I want to change this now. I want to change this question to check how well do you perform here. So, I am changing the conclusions. I am giving you additional conclusions here. So, I am giving you conclusion number 4. Now, give me the answer. Now give me the answer. Give me the modified answer. I'll erase all this. Now give me the modified answer. Which conclusions will follow? Okay. So the statements are the same, but I've changed the conclusions. No guitar is a piano. Okay, that is right. Second one is some flutes may not be pianos. Some flutes may not be pianos. The third one is all flutes are guitars is a possibility. All flutes are guitars is a possibility. And the fourth one says all piano can never be guitar. Now tell me which one of these is, which one follows and which one does not follow. Okay, Ishwara Lakshmi has asked me for possibility type questions in statement conclusion. Okay, got it. Statement conclusion means syllogism. Right, got it, got it. I'll do that. Now tell me. Who will give me the correct answer? I'm waiting for this. A lot of you might learn something new in syllogism today. Give it a shot, give it a shot. Don't be coy. Okay, some violins are pianos, this is correct. Oh, sorry, no guitar is a piano, this is not correct. What about the rest of these? Anyone? Conclusion 2, will it follow or no? Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no for conclusion 2. Give me an answer, guys. And don't bother about the answers being wrong. I am not here to judge you. I am here to teach you something. But if you will not participate, we will not be able to learn. See, 3 of you just left the session midway. What's the point? What's the point? If somebody is coming here and trying to teach you, oh my God. Come on, give me an answer. I want an answer from all of you today. Good, Amit. Very good. Good job. So I am asking you whether this will follow or not, yes or no. Amit is saying yes. He's absolutely right. Some flutes may not be pianos. The word may here signifies a possibility. Okay. If some A are B, some A not being B is a possibility. So some flutes are pianos is visible in the Venn diagram. Some flutes are not pianos is absolutely a true possibility. Very good. The next one, number 3, yes or no? Number 3 will follow, yes or no? Okay, Ishwara Lakshmi has said only 2 and 3 follows. Observe carefully. Prashant, observe carefully. Observe carefully, guys. Good attempt. Very good attempt. I am very happy. I am very happy. But 3 will not follow. All flutes are guitars is a possibility. All flutes are guitars is a possibility. See, if I put flutes in guitars, my violin is restricted with guitars. Okay. So, violin is a part of flute. If I put all flutes into guitars, violin will also go to the guitars, which is restricted. Now, this is breaching the scope of my statement. This possibility, if I make it true, it breaches the scope of my statement. So, this will not follow. This will not follow. This is an incorrect conclusion. That means it is never true in the definite case, never true in the possible case. Understood? Correct. Very good. Anshu, Amit, correct. And the fourth one, all piano can never be guitar. All piano can never be guitar. Will this follow or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Good, very good. Yes or no? Fourth one. For the fourth one, yes or no? This is the most crucial one. All piano can never be guitar. Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. The moment you see can never, if it was only can be, we would have taken it as a possibility. Can never becomes a definite case. Now, can never can be replaced by are not. That is, all piano are not guitar. And that is true, that all piano, no matter how much you try, will never be guitar because of this region which is restricted to be in guitar. So with can never, you will have to think like that. So this is correct. So 2 and 4 will follow, 1 and 3 will not follow. Understood? Very good. Yes, Prashant, very good. You had fun, right? So this is, I'll be very honest. Railways might, RRB might put across these questions of this type. It has done it in the past, but not regularly. SSC never does it. But still, you at Tier 2, you never know. This year, a lot of changes are being expected. So that is why keep practicing is what I would suggest. Okay. If anybody who did not understand anything, they can let me know. Correct. What is happening here? See, 11 and 91, how will you make a relationship? Or 15 and 127. Okay. So they are closer. They are close to their tables. If we see 11 into 9 is 99. And you subtract 8 from it, you get 91. Check it with this. 15 into 9 is 135. You subtract 8 from it, you get 127. So yeah, and this is the logic. So 18 into 9 minus 8. 12 minus 8, 154. So option A is the right answer. Good job. Next. Mirror image. Instant answers you can give me, guys. Just 1 second answer. Correct. Very good, very good, very good. All of you. Excellent. Good job. Amit, Anshu, Ishwara Lakshmi and Prashant. Excellent. Good job, guys. See, what is happening is this M is being flipped here. Okay. So M is going to be flipped. This is opposite direction. I mean, this is the water image of M. Water image of M, water image of M. Only this is the correct answer. So option C is the right answer. Correct. Mosumi, absolutely right. Very good. Correct. Luckily, the very first one. Luckily, the very first one. 7 and 3. And you change plus and minus. Solve this, so you get, this is 28, this is 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So option A is the right answer. Good, good, good. Try this one now. Okay, in these cases, always check that what is going wrong. And they want you to do this, right? They are just asking you. Oh, this is for multiplication only. Yeah? This is for multiplication, computer multiplication. So 50 divided by 3 into 15 is going to be 250. 250 plus 25 minus 10 is nowhere going to give you 25. So this is where the change has to come up in this bracket. Okay. Now if I say 50 into 3 by 15, so this is 1 by 5 and this becomes 10, and that's true. So divide and multiply will change their signs, and we have option B as the answer. So we'll have 50 into 3 divided by 15 plus 25 minus 10. So this unit is going to give you 10 plus 10 minus 10 will get cancelled, and you will get 25 as your correct answer. Next. Okay, seems to be easy. So related, how is u related to v? U and the rate u ampersand w. U is the wife of w, and w at the rate v. W is the son of v. U is the daughter-in-law of v. B is the good. Next. Okay, this seems to be a question of Chinese coding. Very common variation which they put across. But if you see, you will see that complete the drawing 837. Do not leave early has 2355. We have 3 here, but there is no common words. So what you have to observe here is, this is number of letters. Complete 8 letters, the 3 letters, drawing 7 letters. This is 837. Do not leave early is 2355. We need break is 245. So kindly stand straight. So this is 6 letters, this is 5 letters, this is 8 letters. Option D is the right answer. Good. Next, figure series. Now see, what is happening here is, observe them as two different entities. Okay, the dot and the flag. So the dot is traveling 45 degree clockwise, 45 degree clockwise, 45 clockwise. Oh no, sorry, 45 then 90, 45 then 90. So the next one has to be 45. So the dot is going to come in the bottom, and that I think is visible in all the 4 options. The next one, if you look at this figure is, when this dot comes 45 degree, this figure flips. This figure flips. If you observe carefully, so the triangle comes here. This goes 45 and the triangle comes here. Okay, then this goes 90, the triangle flips. Right? If this goes here, the triangle just slides back. If this goes here, the triangle flips. If this goes here, the triangle just slides back. If this goes here, the triangle flips. So if this goes here, the triangle is just going to slide back. So option D is going to be the, technically D should have been the correct answer. Yes, D is the right answer. Okay, understood? Next, embedded figures. Correct, it's visible in option B, right? It's clearly visible in option B. Here it is. Easy question. Correct. What is the logic? The logic is that the first number is multiplied by 10 to obtain the second number. First number is multiplied by 10 to obtain the second number everywhere. second number is multiplied by 20 to obtain the third number everywhere except for the first option. So option A is the right answer. Q is the brother of P. What happened? Now listen to me carefully, okay? 50 seconds was more than enough to solve this question. What happens is in such questions, till now if there was an expression given to you, converting into a tree and finding the answer had become very easy. So they have started giving you these questions where all 4 options are codes. You need to solve the codes and check. And a lot of students end up solving all of them. They check all the options. And if the options are on the lower side, they end up wasting a lot of time. Eliminate your options first. They are asking you in which expression Q is the brother of P. For Q to be the brother of P, Q has to be a male. For Q to be a male, Q can never be followed by a minus sign because that is, Q can never be followed by a plus sign because that shows a mother. Q will become a female, otherwise it's a male. So eliminate all options where Q is followed by a minus sign. It's option D. Okay. And in these cases where there is no mention of husband, wife and everything is normally working like left to right, there is no A into B means B is the father of A. In that case, you will not be able to identify the gender of the last element. So most probably you will not be able to identify the gender of Q here. Now you have only 2 options to check. Okay, so check P minus Q is the same in both of them. So that is P is the brother of Q and Q plus R means Q is the mother. Q should be the father, no? So Q into R means Q is the father. Oh God, what did I do? Q plus will be deleted, no? So this will be deleted. You have to check from this. Okay, so P minus Q, P is the brother of Q, Q into R, Q is the father of R. So Q is the brother of Q. It is clearly visible from option C. Okay. Next. This was also an instant answer, guys. Lens is a part of a camera. Cartridge is a part of a what? Not a part of computer, not a part of paper, not a part of ink. It is a part of a printer. Now a lot of students get confused with computer. No. If you have an option of computer printer, cartridge will definitely a part of a printer, not a computer. So option D is the clear-cut right answer. Ink is a part of cartridge, but cartridge as a mechanism is a part of a computer. So option D is the right answer. This was word analogy based. The last question I will not share the answers with you. That will be a bonus question. So what you have to do is, but before I show you that, before I show you the bonus question, I would like to tell you that every Saturday I am coming with live practice classes on the application. So the classes which we practice from Monday to Friday, They are all there on the YouTube platform. But on Saturday, I am bringing extra special sessions, okay, on the application. So you can come and join those sessions, come and attend those sessions and enjoy, reap full benefits from there in a much more interactive platform. Okay, everything is free of cost. There is no charges whatsoever. And what I want to reiterate here is, if you're telling me topics that you would want to understand, let's say syllogism, or you would want to understand, let's say critical reasoning, so then I can bring those topics and those sessions there also if you ask me to. So I can schedule these sessions on Saturdays and I can meet you there. For as of now, we'll be practicing only on this Saturday, but probably from next Saturday onwards, I might bring such new interesting sessions for you. So stay tuned and be a part of that. And for now, this is the last bonus question for you. I want all of you to participate, be the best students like you always are, and just give me the correct answer in the chat box. Not here. Once the video is terminated, once I go, I wave bye-bye to you and I leave the session. After that, after the video is done, then in the comment box, you give me the correct answer for this and I will personally mark you there and reply you on your comment. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye-bye, namaskar, Jai Hind. I'll see you around. Till then, you guys take care. Sure, sitting arrangement also. Keep putting it here. You keep putting it in the comment box also. I'll read it later on. Not a problem. Bye, guys.